Hello friends, welcome back again. Today's video I will explain you how we can use not command in LS PLC. What's the meaning of not command and why we use the not command in the PLC programming? First we open our XG5000 software and here we will take one internal memory bit. For an example, MX100 we will be choose, and next we will choose the command not when you type. After you will be find the not command in the function list. When you go into the help, after you can find this all description, and what he says in the description, if the transition condition mx0 is on, not function executes. If not function executes, input data value of MB10 is inversed and is written in QB0.0. So let's see with this example we will understand in the ladder page. Click it OK, and again one more bit we will be take. For an example, MX10 we will be choose with to execute our not command. MX10 for example, choose any bit you can choose, this nothing issue. Connect with this one, and next in the output we will be take QB0.0, and in the next row we will be take the one open contact also QB0.0, and output we will be take that QX10 for example, any you can choose, this nothing issue. Download this program into the PLC and let's test the command. What's the meaning of this not function? Means when you gives the signal, your output will be off, and when there is a not have any signal, your output will be on. This is the basic function of the not command. So now we will make the monitor and let's test. This command how works? First we need to give the execute from the M100. Now you can see M100 is on and not function is running and output QB0 is on. So there is nothing signal at the MX10 because of we designed here MX10 when on, after our QB0.0 will be off or on. When we give the signal at MX10, after you can see our output is now off and QX10 is also off. As you remove the signal, your output will be on but input is now off. This function called not command. You can also, this is the bool function, you can byte in the function list. If you like to choose, this one is for the not. Scroll down and you can see not bool, not byte, not word. If you like to use the byte, you can click it on the byte and click it OK, and this function you also used by the byte. And after byte you like to be verify, you have to must be here put more bits. V control V control V control V control V control V, and one more we will be control V, and this address we will be put 1, and this address we will be put 2, and this address will be put 3, and this address we will be put 4, and this address we will be put 5, and this address we will be put 6, and this address we will be put 7, because of when you using the QB0, this is the 8-bit data we have to be used, because in the byte have the 8 bits, and we will be type here also MB0, because of we are using the MB0, and this program we will be download into the PLC and click OK. What's the problem? There is our MB0.0 we have to be right. RQB 0.0.0, because of we are using QB 0.0 is here, and this QB zeros up to 8 bits we have to be used up to 7. This is total 8 bits. Again we will be try to download, click OK, and click OK and make it run. And this is our PLC must be in run mode. Connect first and make it run mode, and we will execute the MX100. Oh, sorry, we have to make it monitor first, and again we will be change the current value first, and now you can see there is nothing have any value, and our total 8 bits are on. Because of why it is nothing have any value, because this is the not byte command we are using, but as we will be write it here -1 for an example, so after you will be see our all outputs will be off, right? And if you like to use the for an example -2 value, and after you will be see our first bit is on, and if you use the -3, you can see our second bit is on, because of output address the 2, and if you put the -4, and after you will be see that first 2 bits are on. Why these 2 bits are on? This is previous video already I explained about the binary, because of when you like to using this not byte commas, it gives the answer in the binary. This 3 why coming, don't worry, I explain in the binary converter we can check. This is -3 when you type after when you type the 3, and what's the answer in the binary, you can see this is the first bit is also on and second bit is also on. Same, this is first bit and second bit is on if answer is 3. And for an example, if is here -5 address, we will be right. After you can see first 2 bits are off and third bit is on. 4 of the binary we will be verify with the converter. 4 number if we write in the binary, after you can see 0 first bit is off, second bit is 0, and third bit is 1. Same as if you like to more verify, for an example 5, if you put it here the value, for an example -6, and what's the answer? 5. How much in the 5? We verify 5, put and convert in binary, and you can see 1 0 1, first bit on, second bit off, and third bit will be on. So this way you can use the NOT command in the LSPLC. If I hope you will be understand about this command. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.